Hi there beautiful friend, in this video I am going to show you remove VPN on your Android phone. You can just follow this method step by step, easily remove VPN on your device. Now let's get started. First open the settings page on your phone. Once you are in the main settings page, look for the connection option, click on them. Within the connection page, scroll down to the very bottom, find the more connection settings, click to open it. In this page, look for the VPN option, tap on it to open the menu. Right now here you can see all of the listed VPN there. Find the exact VPN if you want to remove. For example, I am remove this Jack VPN. So tap on the settings gear icon next to their name. After the pop-up page, look at the bottom menu bar. Here you can find the delete button. Simply tap on the delete button. And that's it, how you can easily remove VPN on your Android phone. If this guide helped with you, please consider to subscribe my channel, like this video and share it with your friend. Bye, take care guys.